Here I've got Xiaomi Mi Mix Free, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first, simply click on next icon and select the language that you would like to have. As you can see, there is a wide list of languages. In my case, it's English UK, and tap on next. Then pick the region. It can be this one. Tap on next. You can connect to Wi-Fi. I will do it. So mine is HardReset.Info, and tap on next. Here you can come along with terms and conditions of usage, so you should read all of the documents because you have to agree with them, and tap on next. Now it's checking for SIM card. I will insert it later, so I will skip it for now. Now your device is checking for any updates. It's time to copy your data if you want to, but I will not do it now. It will be fresh, brand new device with no other data. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one. If you don't have, you can create a new. Obviously you can skip it as well, but I will log in with mine. It's HardReset. Info 1 and click on next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on next. Now you can come along with all the terms of Google services, and if you agree with them, tap on I agree. It's almost done, just a few more seconds. Here you've got the services from Google, so they can use your location backup to Google Drive. I will switch off this option and also this one, and then click on accept. Here you've got the Google Assistance. No thank you for now. Skip for now. No thanks as well. Got it. Allow to all of the features. Skip login to Mi account. Skip. Now you can set fingerprint on or other protection by I will skip it for now. You can choose the theme. Let me pick, for example, this one. This will look like this, so let me select the third one, tap on next, and now you can start using your device. Just give it a sec. And that's it. Now you can add some contacts, you can change the wallpaper and do whatever you want to. So actually this is how the configuration process looks like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.